What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Swintnation, back again with another video. Today we're going to be checking out the Bose noise canceling quiet comfort earbuds. I'm just going to do a quick unboxing and first impressions. Let's jump into it. Nice box. So, prop that up. See if there's any more stickers. Nope, just pops off. Boom. Nice presentation. Let's take these out, show you what they look like. Focus. Wingtips look very comfortable. Focus. There we go. Case is a very decent size. Set that aside. Let's see what else is inside. Paperwork. Very thick instruction booklet. Charging cable. Ear tips number 3. Ear tips number 1. I'm gonna say that's it. So that's everything inside the box. So let's just jump back into looking at the Bose. This case is a substantial size. I don't have a small hand by no means, but as you can see, that's a decent sized case, man. You put this in your pocket, it's gonna raise some eyebrows, man. I'm gonna show you what it looks like compared to. So here's a comparison next to the actual Apple AirPods, the size. It's definitely a lot bigger when you compare it to the Apple AirPods case. I also have the Galaxy Buds case. It dwarfs it. And then I also have the Galaxy Buds Live. So as y'all can see, I'll be rocking out with headphones, but it's substantially bigger than all of them. You know, one thing I want to also say is the texture of this box. It's got like a matte finish to it, as you can hear. Real nice matte finish, and it feels solid, man. This thing ain't gonna flex on you. And then I like the fact that, you know, if you were to drop this case, like any of these, if I drop them, those earbuds are flying out. This guy, it's locked in place. I do like that. I didn't know that was a feature. You hear that? It locks in, and then it shows you your battery life right there. So that's a great feature that I like already off the bat. Quick little side comparison of the size of the Bose versus the AirPods, Galaxy Buds, and Galaxy Buds Live. So looking at the color of these, it's called SoapStone, I believe. Yeah, they're called SoapStone. So they don't look white. They look more of like a sandy color, basically, like an off-white. I would refer to these more of an off-white color. I haven't seen anybody post these online, so besides Bose. So I was very curious of what these look like in person, and they actually look very good. All right, guys, this has been just a quick unboxing of the Bose Quiet Comfort earbuds. I will come back in a few days and give you guys my initial impressions of what they sound like, as far as sound quality, call quality, and overall battery life. So if you do your boy a favor, hit that like button, that subscribe button, that little bell notification, and I'll catch y'all in the next video with an update on the Bose Quiet Comfort earbuds. Y'all stay blessed.